Hello, hi, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's know about the half-wave rectifier. So, what is a half-wave rectifier? What is a rectifier actually? So, rectifier is used to convert the AC to pulsated DC. So, pulsated DC means it contains still harmonics and some distortions. So, here we are going to discuss about the half-wave. Only the half-wave is going to convert to DC and another half-wave is going to be skipped. So, here for actually to convert the AC to pure DC, we have 4 steps. So for the first one is transformer. In the first step we use transformer. It is used to regulate the voltage. Not regulate, to step up or step down the voltage, AC voltage. And then rectifier. So rectifier is used to convert the AC to pulsated DC, not pure DC. So rectifier. And then those pulsated means impurities of the harmonics can be overcome by filters. And then next last one, regulator to regulate the voltage or current of the DC current or voltage. So here we are going to discuss about the second one, rectifier, that to half wave. So transformer, it is nothing but you use it to step up or step down. So rectifier. So here in the rectifier we are going to discuss about the half wave. Half wave rectifier. So let's look at the circuit diagram. I told you that the first step will be transformer, and then the load resistance and DC output. Pulsated DC output between these two terminals. And the input that we are giving is AC input. So here transformer is used to step up or step down according to the DC voltage. So here we have a diode. So when the diode will conduct, whenever positive terminal is given to P side and negative is given to N side, right? So on state. So it is an on state. Then current will flow. It acts as off switch whenever it is given reverse bias. See, off means no current will flow. Current will not flow. It's not we are having like plus or minus voltages that we give, but here let's you look, input is this form and the output of this transformer will be some regulator to this. So here the input to this is like okay, here it is plus Vm peak voltages minus Vm. So plus minus plus minus plus. So in this plus sign, in the first half cycle, then the forward, the diode acts as on switch, then current flows. So it is given like plus half cycle. So here it is given minus half cycle. For the next half cycle, it will not conduct, as the diode act as off switch. So for the positive, the diode gets forward biased, so the current of half cycle will flow, and then in this half cycle it acts as reverse bias, and then no currents will flow, so nothing is shown here. For the next half cycle, again the same process. For the next half cycle, the same process will be continued until we stop the supply. So here Vm. So can also get of the same form Im. So this is the above half wave rectifier. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.